Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the actual code you'll share and selecting where it lives. Upload scripts or zipped projects to Drive, or attach files directly when creating an assignment. Once done, set permission to anyone with link or restrict to class. This ensures students can open and run files. Make sure to name files clearly and include a README to explain execution steps. You're doing this first so distribution and access don't block student work later. Now build the assignment itself. In classwork, click Create and choose Assignment. Add concise directions and learning goals so students know expected output and how you'll grade. Attach the code file from Drive or link to a cloud IDE like Replit or Glitch. Paste small runnable snippets inline for quick testing. Once attached, set point value, due date, and whether students turn in individual or group work. These choices determine submission flow and how you'll review their code. Finally, assign to students and monitor access from the assignment page. Confirm several students can open and run the code immediately. When reviewing, use private comments to point to exact lines and suggest fixes. Return work for resubmission when needed. If problems occur, check Drive permissions first, then verify relative file paths and environment setup, and ask students to paste console errors. That single troubleshooting step, request exact error output, lets you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.